On today's video, we're going to talk about another partner on the channel who sent me a nice little care box. It's mymromarts.com. When I first looked on their website, it looked like they did heavy equipment, tractor, excavator type parts. Did a little bit more digging, and they do have a decent selection of lawn tractor parts where it can range from ignition switches, starter solenoids, air filters, and voltage regulators, and quite a few other parts, mostly for lawn tractors and things along those lines. So So again, I just want to thank mymromarts.com for sending me the air filter and this whole care package, and just taking care of people like me, just for reaching out, just let me have the opportunity to partner with them and test out some of their stuff. You may find some of their parts on their website, something that you might need as well. Just give them a look, type in your manufacturer, even if you have heavy equipment stuff, you may find stuff that you need on there. But even for the little lawn tractors, they'll have a pretty decent parts arsenal, so to speak, that you may find you may need some. So give them a shot at mymromarts.com. I'll put a link to this particular air filter in the description below as well, and any sort of discounts or any sort of additional information, social media.